In today's video,
wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley. Kagebunshin no jutsu.
Gonna be reviewing a bathing ape Durag, do you know what I'm saying? And it's just not a standard bathing ape, but it's the old logo, do you know what I'm saying? The one with the little sun. As you can see, this is my new drone with the bare minimum. Yeah, bare minimum. Like the new display. And here it is. This is what we're about to review. Here we go. Let's open it. See. See that? It looks so nice, like golden and everything. You know what I'm saying? I wish you could feel the material, so silky, but look at the inside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. See that? You know what I mean, man? That's absolutely amazing. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on, mates. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, do something nice. That's right. That's right, baby. So yeah, let's put it on. And I'm gonna put it on in a very special way. You see the shine though? That's what we call the shine. Yeah. Do you know what it reminds me of here? Super Saiyan 5 from Dragon Ball GT, bruv. Or Golden Great Ape from Dragon Ball. Don't ask me why, yeah, but I love wearing my Durags like this. So yeah, there you go. Tell me that this is not hard. This is hard, no cap. And you know it's hard. So look from the back. What do you think? What's your opinion? Obviously, if you want this type of Durags, I'll leave the link down in the description. You can go on Swag Rag. I don't think you're gonna find this exact one because this one is limited edition, you know what I'm saying? You needed to be there early to get that one, but you're gonna get any type of designer Durag you want. You got the other Bape, the other styles, do you know what I'm saying? Designer Durag, Swag Rag. Use my code 10_7. Actually, let me try something. I want to see what this Durag looks like with a jacket on. Let's see. It looks kind of hard, you know. It looks kind of hard with a jacket. I've never rocked out with a jacket before. No, don't lie. Actually, listen. When I put my Durags on, they actually look handsome. Goddamn. I could steal your girl right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm for real though. Let me start guessing myself, you know what I'm saying? But it's true though. I'll steal your girl, bruv. But you're lucky, I'm a good guy, bruv. I'm a good guy, bruv. this is, if you're watching my video and you're not a hater, that means you're part of the gang. You know what I'm saying? And I'm called gang, so I will never do you dirty. Now it's time to tie up in a standard waist though. Okay. Why do girls do stuff like this? So yeah, that's it. There you go. I haven't worn a Durag in a minute. No. I mean, a Durag that I didn't make myself. If you didn't know, I make Durags, bruv. So go down in the description and go check out how to make your own Durag. I've got that in the description, bruv. Somewhere on the side. You get me? But yeah, that's it. This is what it looks like. If you want one of these Durags, this type of Durags, designer Durags, go to Swag Rack, the link will be in the description. Use my code TENAMSCHOOL15, TENAMSCHOOL7. Yeah guys, it was your boy TENAMSCHOOL. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.